Many project teams lack core analysis capabilities, connecting business objectives into executable technology solutions, crippling transformation continuity with misinterpreted requirements, gathering through solution launches. Vast resources sink into disjointed outputs, unable to uphold intended returns without unifying analysis experts steering understandable continuity. Our intensive business analyst certification connects strategy to implementation, fueling transformation success through elevated requirements analysis, solution scoping, and launch governance upholding intended value chains. Attendees master techniques engaging stakeholders, distilling needs into responsive technology, and testing solutions upholding continuity to intended objectives. Certified analyst graduates uphold transformation continuity through purpose-driven coordination, upholding visibility requirements to designs, development, testing, and integration, enabling technology investments to solve priorities with accuracy. They uphold stakeholder comprehension while recommending adjustments, ensuring deliverables map to satisfactions. Register today to earn coveted business analyst certification, placing you at the intersection of transformations, guiding enterprises to implementation and adoption success, fulfilling intended returns through elevated coordination capabilities.